Assalamu alaikum.
If you want to watch new videos on our channel, then subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Like the video and share it with your friends. Moreover, comment below for your suggestions. Now let's come to today's video.
Robinson Crusoe. Robinson Crusoe is a novel written by Daniel Defoe and published in 1719. It is often considered one of the first novels in the English language. The story revolves around the adventures of Robinson Crusoe, a mariner who is shipwrecked on a deserted island, where he spends 28 years. Here are some key themes and interpretations of the novel. 1. Survival and self-reliance. One of the central themes of the novel is the human instinct for survival. Crusoe's resourcefulness and ability to adapt to his surroundings are emblematic of the human capacity to overcome adversity through self-reliance. 2. Colonialism and imperialism. Robinson Crusoe also reflects the colonial and imperialist attitudes of the time. Crusoe's dominance over the island and his relationship with Friday, a native he rescues and converts to Christianity, can be seen as symbolic of colonialism and its impact on indigenous cultures. 3. Religious themes. Religion plays a significant role in the novel. Crusoe's journey from a reckless young man to a devout Christian reflects the idea of spiritual redemption and the importance of faith in the face of isolation. 4. Isolation and loneliness. The novel explores the psychological and emotional effects of long-term isolation. Crusoe's struggle with loneliness and his attempts to create a life for himself on the island provide insight into the human need for companionship. 5. Enlightenment and individualism. Crusoe's quest for knowledge and self-improvement while on the island can be interpreted as a reflection of the Enlightenment ideals of individualism and self-education. 6. Adventure and exploration. The novel captures the spirit of adventure and exploration that was prevalent during the Age of Discovery, as Crusoe's experiences on the island are filled with exploration, discovery, and danger. Robinson Crusoe has been the subject of various interpretations and adaptations over the years and continues to be a classic in literature that raises important questions about human nature, society, and the individual's place in the world.
If you like the video, subscribe our channel and appreciate us. For new videos, press bell and get notifications. Like, share and comment below for your suggestions and feedback. Thanks for watching.